In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calls on Microsoft Teams. If you're using Teams to stay in touch with coworkers, classmates, or contacts, making a call is one of the quickest ways to connect. The good news is that the process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly, so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the People section. This is where you can view and manage your contacts inside Teams. If you already have the person saved or recently interacted with them, you should be able to find them there pretty quickly. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct area before moving on, because this is where the calling process starts. Once you're in the People, look through your contacts and select the person you want to call. You may need to click on their name or profile so their contact options appear. If you have a longer contact list, it can help to slow down and double check that you're choosing the right person before placing the call. This is especially useful if there are similar names in your list. After selecting the person, click the call icon. This is the button that starts the call directly from their contact profile. As soon as you click it, Teams will begin dialing that person. From there, you just need to wait for them to answer. If your device supports it, make sure your microphone and speakers are working properly before or during the call so you can hear clearly and be heard. It's also a good idea to check that you have a stable internet connection, since call quality in Teams depends heavily on your network. If the call doesn't go through right away, simply confirm that you selected the right contact and try again. And that's really all there is to it. To make calls on Microsoft Teams, go to People, choose the person you want to contact, and click the call icon. It's a fast and convenient way to reach someone without needing to start a full meeting or send messages back and forth first. Now you know how to make calls on Microsoft Teams. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and can save you a lot of time when you need a quick conversation.